sunburst flowers calling on warm days over.
Alarvia wani mase Covelin Justin Bieber chu a boy megani ti an movek thudik khatak in thup chu enge ni angle.
And as they walk through a restaurant kitchen, Justin pees in the janitor.
That's the coolest spot to fish. You know, you'll forever remember that.
It comes to light this morning following Justin Bieber's arrest on those DUI and resisting arrest charges. Allegedly shows Bieber behind the wheel of a fancy sports car as it tears down a street in Miami. ABC's Matt Gutman has been on the case.
This afternoon, though, the grin was gone. In a courtroom video appearance from jail, Bieber
often lead to reckless excess. Plenty of pop stars have cracked under the pressure of celebrity and tabloid scrutiny. Now Justin Bieber's feeling the stress. His week has been marred by hospitalization and a blow-up with the paparazzi. The larger-than-life 19-year-old's finding out supersized fame comes with supersized baggage. ABC's Nick Watt reports.
Finally snapped.
What'd you say? You are watching, man. What'd you say?
Beat.
What'd you say? You are beat the
That's a bold statement when you're fighting.
No pangte in kumsom bathum mi leka fence makta duai chuangin a hmingan au pui luai luaya arun lar tawaka anuna ama mangai tute amo ati te chuan atan omreng lawin an kalsan thina a hre thiam lawani fence ama support tu tamtak omma se huat ani chang atama no pangte ni in anu le pa te anin thena chung ko pa ngai takaro rel na fil tak noya om ngai lawani boka Coveli na siya anun chu camera ma manga athil ti apiang Coveli na soya acha deule acha laudeu langsar deu te pheichuan newspaper alwa ne thin le a Covel mishing Google search number ani phathiala no pangte milar tak Covel mi te en ani a puitling hlir bola oma maltakin a stress na sa a abuai zawa thil makpui puyatia stage perform hi anuam ti berania mase a world tour hial a cancela anuna boy tak zetani zana a security ten ala tho empty a khat to ka an en awangai chang te a oma anun mandan chu a zawlawani
you know telling me they love me and just turn their back on you in a second
anun chu ven ngai reng security nei rengin huna manga rockstar nun chu ni e anuam leang mase Justin chuan chu nun chu keima tak hi kanilo atia belnu aneya anin thena anuwa ama hrethiam tu anundan thalo po poma ngaidam zel tu atongta a Hailey ama hrethiam em tu chu abula omreng theilawa akal san leri angai thina Justin hian chungkwa siam achak zia soi thina athen tak theipo arin lo chu thlen tirin Hailey chu nu poyata na neita a nun nget nei turin ama fui tu le hrethiam tu chu abula nget taka a omangai ani Hailey hi Christian chungkwa atangalo selian ni in Justin Bieber fan ru tak ani nge a Justin hian anun chu siam tha a Hailey tan mi pathatak ni let ve atuma
Justin's a better man because he married Hailey, and he may make fun of me for saying that, but he knows it and he says it too.
Anun siam thar atum chanta nun nget nein omna mun in nget a om ngai lawa chu achak em thinani a nupui na ya chung ko pa ngai tak siam ve to atuma adu boka atak sa te en kol tha in siam thata anupui tan pasal thaber le thian thaber ni atum thuwa soya fa an lo nei ani po a fa ta na pathaber ni atum bokani
I love Kalia. I love you more than anyone.
mak tak tak che in dan te bo che ma se no pangte ni anun boy chuar tak wang khan aril ru boy zawani a hausa a du du anei thei boka chung ko mumal taka tanga lo selian ani lo bok nen ama ang che ano pangte ni a ron lar ta em ama lo du em tu fan ni bok Billie Eilish po angai to azia asoi chuak hel boka khatifa kalarna khovel mi puite ngai ven no pangte inan machon kha abai ve deu po kha a om ve thawe ani na tak chu mitam takin ama hre chang to te chuan mi thata kani ti hian soi zil thawani.
Do you know what? I know you all love him. He's the most amazing human being.
Yes, he is.
Really is. For someone to have achieved what he's achieved and still be an amazing person and to be doing what he's doing, it's great to see him. Great to see him back.
I know. I missed him. He's a good guy.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Justin Bieber thon thu hian hun kal to siam tha theilo ma se itun hun tha tak ani theinan engi motak iti nge nga yani ti himin shila kumsang ni somnia chuan ti hian soya iswa hi karinga katan cross a thi ti pokashia kapoma ma se kanuna hian ka ti puitling ngai lawa karing ne ya ma se bible injiangin rin chu thu oina tel lo chuan engma lo ni lawa iswarin chuan solkal san na lo ngai ani christian kania christian disia enton tlak lo tak kani thin atia iswa ne nanin leichin na soya pathian mangai na hi ka thil ti mangamo a nei ka tum lawa pathian chuan milo mangai sarenga kani na ang hian engma kati ma pon a thlona kanei ama ka pomphot chuan a thlonin min lo pe mai ani atia ane na kanun kan pek chuan ngai dam na min lo pe ve mai ani lalpa ka fakang che thil thatak min pe ka wangin atia iswa wan ta turin anuna enton tur a mu thin lo thu a soi boka iswa kha khovel swal le bol lo aron umve thawa ka bol lo la hian min kai thawani iswa zui tu kani a iswa in pom chuan tharau thiang hlim hruai in ni to min ti a tharau thiang hlim hruai ni hi ka du ani atia mi zong hi an thavek theilo ke ngei po ni tin thlem na hi ka dawa ka beya swal na te mani masial na te hi chu mi hringa om sa veka chutiang ni lo tura kan be angaya khovela na le shiom na tam tak kara hian mi te hian tlan chwa na turan zonga dikna an zonga beise na an zonga kazin ko nga hian pathian min mangai tu le min pom tu ka mu thei hi ka van nei le a ka chandam tu ania iswa hian min chan himani ati ani
and I believe that to be true, that Jesus saved me. Jesus saved me.